guys, my name is Lauren. Some of y'all know me as Toast from the Host. I get a lot of questions about recipes and just fun party things that you can do. And obviously we're in the middle of a pandemic, so you can't necessarily have big parties, but why not just put something together for your immediate family or just for yourself? So I have a couple of ideas and tips and tricks. This is what this channel is gonna be about. A lot of party, DIY, fun decor, all of that. So stay tuned. The great thing about this 3-step recipe is you use some of your favorite herbs and spices. I prefer a fruity blend of olive oil and fresh baked baguette bread. And I'm going to use a knife. So we have our Parmesan cheese, flakes, powder. I'm just guiding it in here. And if you have a bigger plate, you can definitely do that too. Put that on. Oops. It's definitely okay if you make a mess. All right, so this looks amazing. This looks like herbs and seasoning, which it is, and it smells really good. So take a look. So we mixed all the seasonings together, and personally I love cheese, so I added a little bit of extra Parmesan. And you want really good olive oil. So I'm pouring enough in there. That's good. One of my favorite things, black peppercorn on the top. And then, like I said, some basil from the garden. I'm gonna tear up a couple of pieces here. I'm gonna give it a nice little mix. Now, time to try. You can allow your herbs and spices to marinate a little while longer in the olive oil, or if you're impatient like me, you dive right in. Okay guys, so it's really that simple. About 5-6 ingredients. You can make your own measurements, however much seasoning you like. I love garlic powder, so I put a lot of that, and the cheese. And hopefully y'all stay tuned for more fun, easy, simple recipes, things that you can do that's party-like, but a party for 1 or 2, or just your immediate family. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Be sure to check out the website, toastfromthehost.com, and follow me on Instagram at toastfromthehost. See ya!